Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana coconut snack, or Poloo as it's called in Ghana. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and please kindly subscribe, like and also share. So these are my ingredients I'll be using. I have here coconut flakes, water, flour, plain flour, sugar. I also have here lemon zest, salt, nutmeg and baking powder. And also I have here butter. So to a mixing bowl, I will add in all the ingredients and I'll mix it very well. Now I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below. Now I'll go ahead and mix it all together. And I'll gradually add in small amounts of water, and please ensure not to add too much water. So I will now divide it into half and start working on the other half. So on the chopping board, I've added a little bit of the flour, I will now flatten the dough with a rolling pin. So at this point, I'll cut the dough into smaller shapes or your preferred shape. So at this point, I have sprinkled a little bit of flour onto a tray and I'll put them on for frying. So I'll continue the process until it's all done. So I let it sit in the fridge until the oil is hot and ready for frying. Now in the wok, I'll be frying it for about 15 minutes on a medium to low heat until it's crispy and golden brown. And also continue to stir several times to ensure it cooks evenly. So it's all done, very crispy and delicious, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you in my next video.